Farmers grow crops to sell in the market. Profit motive is the basis of commercial agriculture. Farmers grow both cash as well as food crops. This type of cultivation provides raw materials to the agro-based industry. Commercial agriculture can be basically categorized into extensive, intensive, plantation, and mixed farming. Extensive agriculture. This type of agriculture is practiced in the mid-latitude grasslands in the interiors of the continents. It is carried out on large scale, and most of the activities are accomplished with the help of modern machinery. The agriculture farms are very large, with an average extent of being 400 hectares. This type of agriculture is found in Russia, USA, Argentina, Australia, etc. Under this type of agriculture, per hectare production may be less, but total production is very high. Wheat, oats, rye, flax, barley, etc. are the major crops grown. Intensive agriculture. Under this agriculture, high yield is obtained by applying higher and modern inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, high-yielding varieties of seeds, etc. Crops are grown on smaller holdings. Under this type of agriculture, per hectare production is more, but total production is less. This type of agriculture is carried mostly on monsoon lands of Asia, including India, China, Japan, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. Plantation agriculture. It was introduced by Europeans to meet the demands of tea, coffee, cocoa, pineapple, etc. The main objective of plantation agriculture is to export products. Tea plantations of Assam and Sri Lanka, rubber plantations of Malaysia, and coffee plantations of Brazil are some of the important examples of plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is labor-intensive and capital-intensive. Mixed farming. It is that type of agriculture in which equal importance is given to livestock as well as cultivation of crops. It is practiced in USA, Western Europe, Russia, etc. It is also practiced on small scale in some parts of India like northwest Punjab. Under mixed farming, farms may be large or small. Food crops. The crops which are used for human consumption are called food crops, such as rice, wheat, maize. Rice. Geographical requirements of rice. Temperature, rainfall, soil, world distribution of rice. It is the staple food of about 50% of the world's population. India and China are the leading producers of rice in the world. Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India. Bangladesh, Indonesia, Burma, and Japan are some other minor producers in the world. Wheat. Geographical requirements for wheat. Temperature, rainfall, soil. World distribution of wheat. Wheat is the main food crop of the countries in the middle latitudes. Russia, USA, China, Canada, India, France, Argentina, and Australia are the main producers of wheat. India is the fourth largest producer of wheat in the world. Maize. It is used as food as well as fodder. USA is the largest producer of maize in the world. China, Russia, Brazil, and Argentina are the other producers of maize. Fibre crops. Cotton and jute are the two major fibre crops. Cotton. Geographical requirements for cotton. Temperature, rainfall, soil. World distribution of cotton. It is a universal fiber. Cultivation of cotton is a labor-intensive work which provides employment to a large number of people. China, India, and USA are the major producers of cotton in the world. India is the second largest producer of cotton in the world. In India, cotton is mainly produced in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab, etc. Jute. Geographical requirements for jute. Temperature, rainfall, soil. World distribution of jute. Jute is a tropical fiber plant and grows well in the deltic region of the Ganga-Brahmaputra Valley. It is used to manufacture carpets, ropes, strings, bags, etc. Jute is the golden fiber of India. India and Bangladesh are the two leading producers of jute in the world. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute in India. It alone produces 62% of the total jute.
Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate. Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane. India, China, Thailand, and Pakistan are the other major producers of sugarcane. Rubber. It is an equatorial crop, but under special conditions, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeters and temperature above 25 degrees centigrade. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. Asia continues to dominate the world supply of natural rubber with 93% of total world production. Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam are the three largest producers of rubber in the world. In India, rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Garo Hills of Meghalaya.
Beverage crops. Tea and coffee are the two most important beverage crops of the world. Coffee. Geographical requirements for coffee. Temperature, rainfall, soil. World distribution of coffee. It grows in the tropical highlands, which have hot summer and cool winters. Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia, Mexico, etc. are the major producers of coffee in the world. Though India is not a major producer of coffee, but some coffee is produced in South India. Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu are the major producers of coffee in India. Tea. Geographical requirements for tea. Temperature, rainfall, soil. World distribution of tea. Tea is processed from the leaves of a shrub which grows well in hill slopes in tropical monsoon regions. Tea plantation is labor-intensive work which provides employment to many workers. India, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Indonesia, Bangladesh are the major producers of tea. The main tea growing areas in India are the hill slopes of Assam and Nilgiri. Bengal and Assam are the largest tea producing states in India.